5 days. That's the time remaining to finish this challenge. Today we're just going to focus on one gentle stretch and see how the split will do. Namaste.
Namaste, yogis.
It's Goga, kinda like yoga. 2 years in the game, 78 postures later, it is clear hip openers are the big boys for girls in yoga. From sitting ones, lunges, squats, goddesses, hamstring stretchers, including the inversions. With this foundation, I'm convinced that we are ready to take a 90-day journey towards the mother of them all. They call it Hanumasana, monkey, or as most of you know it, the splits. Enjoy the ride. So come onto line on your back, make sure you're against a wall, and then step your feet on the wall and take them out into Charlie Chaplin. And then you want to walk your feet away from each other, trying to keep the knees on the same line and the knees above the ankles. Reclined frog pose. Open your hands out like a T, and then see that you can keep walking your feet away from each other. So you're just crawling them very slowly and confirm that you have the alignment of the knees, the alignment of the ankles, and then you're feeling that deep stretch. The more you keep walking these feet away from each other, the deeper the stretch you'll feel around your hips and even the groin area. And then see whether it's possible to move your bum slightly towards the wall, just to be able to deepen that deep stretch. You're going to stay here for about 3 minutes, inhaling and exhaling. With every exhale, feel the stretch even deeper. This is a very deep and intense hip opener, and that's what you want to focus on. Yeah, you can just keep feeling that stretch on the inner thighs and groin. You can even hold onto your knees here, keeping your chin slightly tucked just to lengthen the back of your neck. You can even keep wiggling the toes away from each other just to deepen this stretch. And then from here, so that you can slowly and very intentionally bring your hands again behind your thighs as you keep pushing them away from each other. So this is how we are going to navigate, and so that we can release the posture. So start drawing the knees towards your chest, drop and lie on one side, and then find your way on your knees. And then take your left leg forward, coming into half split. You can get some blocks here, some yoga blocks here, and then press on the blocks and just gaze towards your knees. You can even keep your spine straight, just be able to feel that nice stretch on half Hanuman or the half split. So you stay on half split, you can even kiss your knee or drop your head towards that knee just to deepen that stretch, feeling that nice juicy stretch on the hamstrings. And then slowly start sliding the back knee towards the back, inhaling and exhaling. And you can even adjust accordingly just to be able to feel that stretch as you sink your groin down towards the ground. And you can use the blocks for support. Keep tucking your back foot in until your torso is straight, and stay here. So this is what the split looks like on the left side. You can even try lift both hands on the ground, and then try internally rotating the left thigh. Just be able to deepen your groin down towards the ground. And stay here, breathing in and breathing out. You can even turn the blocks upright and see what that feels like. Otherwise, you can keep the blocks flat. You can even try and bring your palms down on the mat. That also works perfectly fine. And then gently ease out of the posture, and then take that knee back. Let's try the other side. So come into half split on the right knee. I got company here, it's the neighbor's dog here. And then start sliding the back knee towards the back very slowly. Just keep walking it and wiggling it very slowly, and then start walking with your blocks as well, just be able to deepen that stretch. And when you're ready, you can completely, so that you can start sinking the hips lower. My right side is definitely the best when it comes to the split. And then try to use the upper body or your torso, just be able to use it as weight to sink the hips even lower, as we've learned in the last couple of days. Another option, you can just slide the back foot very slowly. So if you have a very slidey surface and slippery surface, it makes the posture very easy to get into. And then when you're ready, you can just ease into the posture. So still struggling a little bit here on day number 85, but close enough. If I can just do some bit of proper more warm up, I should be able to get home. But otherwise, that is not the goal. The goal is the flexibility that you have built for the last 84 days and counting. And then you can keep rotating that thigh just to sink the hips forward. And then gently release out of the posture. Massage those thighs by giving them like some fist. Bye guys. See you on day number 86.